a very interesting model came out this week from India, which was called Varya. Okay, this is a surprise video model which was built on top of by distilling Alibaba's WAN 2.2, but basically it's like almost 27x faster than the WAN 2.2 model. So they kind of did some modification in the architecture. They removed some layers and stuff, and the model, it seems, is at the same level, at the same capability level, but it's almost 27x faster.
Wow.
Right? So that was one of the biggest news here. And then
Okay, so we just discussed Varya, and along with that, Maya, a voice-first AI for Indian languages, was also released. And the most interesting thing is Maya 1 it's a open sourced Apache 2 model. So unlike Servam's voice-based models for Indian languages, they were, we believe, closed source, right?
yeah, so they are basically API based. The
Yeah.
text to speech and speech to text both are API based. It seems like Maya is coming out, which is going to be open source, like you said, Apache 2.0 license. So we can run it on our hardware. And generally, voice models are really small in size, so it can be run on different laptops as well, right? So it's already released. People are already using it. We haven't tried it yet, but yeah, almost 3 million app downloads have happened on Hugging Face for this. 440,000 Hugging Face downloads have happened,
That
and
is very
almost
impressive.
3 million app
Apps
installs
installed.
have
Wow.
happened, right? So yeah, this is a big news, interesting news that Indian. So for the Indian languages, for Indian sovereign AI, which was talked about a lot this week. This is interesting that a new model, a voice model, has come in, which is primarily trained on Indian languages and which could be used with the Indian languages. So yeah, a huge emphasis. Everybody's talking about having our own sovereign models. That's, yeah, if we can have that, that will be very interesting. Alongside HCL Tech kind of invested in Servam.
Yeah,
right? So
it's a unicorn now. Absolutely.
Servam is a unicorn